Hello, I will teach you how to see the travel menu and traffic plan and celebrity control setting. At first, please click the Intelligent Travel Manager Class software and click it and enter it. It needs some time to enter this software. Now, I will show you in the intersection 3 and you click the single intersection configuration. At first, please check the hardware setting. Please query first. You can see what the GPS enable and low voltage. Please tick it and press the shift buttons. Okay. Next, for the global setting. If you install the pedestrian traversing line, please choose the pedestrian 1 enable, east enable, south enable, west enable, and north enable, and press the shift button. Okay. Next, for the multi-slavery cities, because your intersection installed the 8-piece slavery controllers, at first, for the slavery 1 and slavery 2, we sit north direction. NL stands for the north turn left signal. NSSE stands for the north direction go straight 1. NS2 stands for the north direction go straight 2. NR stands for the north direction turn right. NPE stands for the north direction pedestrian 1. NP2 stands for north direction pedestrian 2. Slab 1, slab 2 for north direction. Slab 3 and slab 4 for west direction. Slab 5 and slab 6 for the south direction. Slab 7 and slab 8 for the east direction. After you set wheel, please press the shift buttons. Okay, next, we can change to the sister city. At first, you can see the Tangzhou cities. You can press the city and choose the local Tangzhou. Next, for the town city, please tick the synchronization. Then it will accurate your local town and press the shift button. Next, for the sister city and GPS city, okay, we come back to the travel cities. At first, we can check the travel function city. For boot yellow fresh town, you can set as you want, and boot orange town 3 seconds, and local green fresh town 4 seconds or 5 seconds. Okay, after you set this parameter, please press the shift button. Okay, we can come back to the menu settings. You can see the menu 1 totally 4 stage. For the green towns, we can change it to 30 seconds. You can see the east direction local traffic lights and the south direction pedestrians. Then the stage 2, you can also change it to 30 seconds. You can see the south direction, the local traffic signal lights, and west direction pedestrian line, and for the west direction pedestrian traffic signal line and north direction pedestrian line, and for the east direction pedestrian line and north direction, the local traffic lights, and press the shift buttons after you change wheel. And you can see the menu data have been successfully saved to the travel controllers. And press the ensure buttons. Next, for the traffic plan city, you can see the starting town and ending towns, and menu 1, and place the mode. Please choose the 3 for vocal entry mode. After you choose wheel, please press the shift button. Okay, the data have been successfully saved to the travel controllers. You can operation the step by stage as a listen radio. It's very clearly. OK。好，谢谢，帮我发给韦主管。